Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to do a review of the Apple SE Smartwatch. First, what's in the box? This is the black one. Is already opened and has been used for a few weeks by my son. This belongs to my son actually. I just borrowed it to give it a quick review, and it has a charger, but it has no plug. There's no plug in the packaging in the box. It comes also with the box of the watch strap, and I think he also got the sports strap. You can have it in different straps of your choice: leather, metal, you have it in sports loop, you have it in solo loop, you have it in like elastic band, you have it in like a basket weave, different colors of your choice, and two different sizes, the 40 and the 44. But he is a big man, so he's taking the biggest size. The diameter is quite big, and if I put it on my wrist is completely lost in it. It's nice as well, but like I said, I prefer the 40mm one over this one because I have quite a little wrist. But with the little one I got, this 40mm on my son's wrist, it was completely, ridiculously small. So if you're a big man with a big wrist, it's best to go for the bigger size. I know it's more money, but there's no point bringing it home and having to send it back because the size you have found is too small on your wrist. So for a big wrist, go for the bigger size, and for a small wrist, or for preference, if you like your watch small, then go for the small size, which I did. So inside it, you have the watch straps, you have the watch itself is already out of the box, and it's been connected. But to unpack this, you can just push the button at the bottom, and then you take the straps off, because you can interchange your strap. You can buy different colors of straps for these watches. So with the Apple smartwatch, it has 4 major characteristics, and that's why people buy. Fitness. It monitors your fitness, your exercise, your movement rate to keep you long and maintain your well-being. It also has health facility, like the measurement of your heartbeat, and it can send you notification on that. It has also the security section where you can have your like a SOS kind of messages or program put in, so that you can monitor your own self. If you fall, you can notify somebody close to you. If you have any health issues that you might need help at the time, this would help you. And this can also help you even in time if you go into a country where there's bad security. You have so maybe kidnappers and all those people in all the backward countries. You can use the security facility or the app on this watch to notify your loved ones of your whereabouts. So this is quite a good watch, and it has also the connectivity bit. The connectivity one is when you have the your Wi-Fi set up, you can connect and pair up your Apple Watch with any Apple device of your choice. But with the facility of this, you must have that Apple device close in the same environment as you are before you can receive your phone calls or notifications or interact on social media on your watch. But if you upgrade yourself and pay like I think £100 more over this, then you can have the entire cellular option, whereby you can use your watch as your phone. That means both work regardless of each other. You can be anywhere and you can still use your phone to make phone calls and do all the things that your phone can do. So the disadvantage about this SE one, it does not have the display that stays on. The display, like you see, you have to keep moving it, so you can't see your watch. Can you see? It's all black. It's gone all into sleep mode kind of. So if I want to see, once I make that movement, my watch, you can see, then you can see my time again. But it doesn't remain in the watch mode. You have to wake it up in a way, like move your hand, and then it comes on. So that's the only thing about it compared to the 6 series. But this one is a couple of pounds, about £120 cheaper than the series 6. But And the other thing, young people, like I said, this one belongs to my son, is a young man, you know, recent graduate, and his fit, his health is perfect and everything. So he didn't go for the 6 series because he won't ever need the ECG, you know, God willing, on his watch. Like someone who is like myself that is over 50, he doesn't need to have his oxygen level measure or anything. And these are the 3 differences in this, or maybe the 4 differences. You have more variety of the designs in the 6 series, and this one you have a fewer color and designs. And with this you have no oxygen record test, and you have no ECG on this as well. And then the watch face display remains on permanently. If you wish to turn it on this series 6, on this one you have to move about to have it come on. So there's nothing much about it, except that sometimes it's cooler that you can just look on your watch and then you can see your time. But though when you're looking as well, you've probably slightly agitated it and it would have come on. So both are good. Both can be paired with your iOS devices, and both can receive phone calls. Both can be, you can use, you know, interchangeable bands or straps on either or. So this is quite good. This is beautiful. The Apple Watch Smartwatch SE series, usually being sold around £289 from either Currys or Apple store online, or any other store online that sells Apple Watches. It has the charger. The charging is very fast, and hopefully if you use it, you know, in a very good manner, you will probably have it last for at least a day, up to a day plus, before you need to charge it. I love these Apple Watch smartwatches, and I'll say they are good bargain to buy. See you again next time. Bye bye.